Hi everybody, these are my tips and tricks for staying motivated for online courses. First, use the calendar in your phone. Write down all of your due dates for all of your assignments. It'll send you a notification and just keep you on top of things. Second, email your professors. They're there to help you, they want to help you, and they'll make it so much easier for you to complete the quiz, the exam, the assignment, whatever. Next, if you're frustrated, step back, take a break, calm down 15-30 minutes, and then get back to it, refreshed and calm down. Also, pick a time of day that you want to do your homework. I usually do mine in the morning before noon, so I have the rest of the day to do whatever I want. And lastly, set goals every day for what you want to get done with your homework or what you need to get done, just so you stay on top of due dates and you don't miss any due dates, and that way you do well in your course. So good luck, everybody. You can do it.
So tips for staying on top of your education while at JJC. I would say one tip is to always keep in touch with your professor, whether that's emailing them, sending them messages on Canvas, or joining video conference calls. Another tip would be to always have some type of communication outlet with friends, peers, other classmates, whether it be through an on-campus organization, whether it be through your classroom, whether it be through an on-campus club, and to just make sure to hold yourself accountable for your education, whether that be your GPA, making sure that you're turning things in on time and not doing things at the last minute. Other than that, those are all my tips for staying on top of your education and taking control while you're at JJC.